How to withdraw earnings from Peopleperhour. First of all, open your browser and go to peopleperhour.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Payments from the drop-down menu. Here you will see your available balance. Before making a withdrawal, make sure your payment method is properly set up. To do this, go to Settings, then click on Payment, and here you can add or update your withdrawal account. Peopleperhour allows you to withdraw your earnings through PayPal, Pioneer, or a bank account depending on your location. To withdraw your funds, click on the Withdraw Funds button, then choose your preferred withdrawal method, for example, PayPal or Pioneer. Enter your account details, review the amount you want to withdraw, and then confirm the transaction. Once confirmed, Peopleperhour will process your withdrawal request. The processing time may vary. PayPal and Pioneer withdrawals are usually faster, while bank transfers may take a few business days to complete. Now you know how to withdraw your earnings safely and easily from Peopleperhour. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.